Hello everybody, I'm back. That was a small little, well, actually, it's probably been about 15 minutes. So, grab a smoke here. So, I'll show you what I did. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll step around so you guys can look. Okay. I added some more stuff to the truck. And to think I almost had this emptied. Okay, but there's where this looks like now. So all that stuff that I just put in from the previous shut off, you know, that's a lot of stuff. A lot of compressors that I threw back there in the back of the truck. That's why my truck is squatting again. But yeah, so this is just scrap metal. Scrap metal, the rotor. I got some other stuff in there. Some more compressors are in there. Some motors are up there. There's a grill right there. 4 more radiators, and I should be done moving all the radiators. I shouldn't have any more. Whew. But those 3, oh, actually 4. I forgot that one up there. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And then pretty much over here is, you know, pretty much got all that taken out. So I still have some more to do, but a quarter of it is gone because I don't know if it's just this stuff up here that makes it look bad, but see if you guys can see, but not too much up in the front. The pile in the middle just makes it look more than it is, but once I take that top layer down, it's going to drop all the way down. It's mainly just loose items, you know, big items. But yeah, so my electric wire pole is out here. I did not know that was out here. I must have just threw it in from the other. Hopefully it's not damaged, because I would like to sell it someday in the future. But yeah, so that's what I've done today so far. I'll probably wind up recording a little bit at the other place just to show you, and that's it. That'll be episode 3. So hopefully you guys enjoy it, and then hopefully after I'm done moving and everything and this truck is gone, I can get back to scrapping and taking things apart and doing videos on that. You know, I want you guys to make the most money as possible, and I'm going to show you the fastest way I know to do it. So some of it is easy, some of it a little bit harder, but like I said, you know, if you only plan on doing one radiator, you know, it ain't going to be worth it to take it apart. Now when you get 15, 20, 30 radiators, then take them apart. Once they're taken apart, they don't take up much room to stack them in the corner of a garage. All this stuff doesn't. If you got a corner, you can put a trash can, or you can put a bucket, or you can put multiple buckets. You know, I don't know one person that has an apartment or a house that doesn't have a corner. They all have corners. You know, put it in a bucket, put a lid on it, stack them on top of each other. Somebody asks you about it, it's none of their business. But yeah, so a little bit more, and we'll get it going. I told him about a week, so probably next weekend he can come and get the truck, hopefully. But I still have access here to this truck, so I'm good to go. My next doctor's appointment is not until the 26th, so, and tomorrow I gotta go to work, you know, so I'll continue probably after work. But I am gonna unload some of this, a lot of it today. So, yep, time to get going, see what time it is, and make up my mind what I'm gonna do. So I'll see you the next time I start this camera up. GoPro, stop recording.